Have you taken off your snow pants, Ayan?
No,
Okay, hurry up.
I'm too high up.
Yeah. Come.
Wait, Papa, not yet. I'm coming.
Okay.
I just put this double song.
Okay.
Okay, we'll just give some 1 second. Give me some 10 minutes.
Give me some 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm taking my stuff off.
Okay. What stuff? Nikki, stay. Please stay.
Stay. Nikki, stay. Mama, what? I don't have to. I'll just leave it.
Sure. You can put it there if there's no. There you go. Come.
Hey, wait, Mama.
Still, you have to do stuff.
Wait a second. I have to put my jumps on.
Okay, fine.
Wait.
Okay.
Mama, just go and check my lunchbox.
Check your lunchbox.
Yeah.
Okay. Nikki is so excited to see you.
Yeah.
Anna?
I know. I just.
Party kar do Nikki ko. He's been waiting all day to see you.
Keep going. Keep going.
Chalo fir. Let's check your lunchbox. Did you finish your lunch today?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
100%?
Yes.
Okay.
Ready? 1. I count, okay?
Okay, sure.
And you'll check in my lunchbox.
Okay.
1,
Hmm.
2,
Hmm.
3,
Hmm.
4, 5.
If you say 2 like that, your Masi, Manu Masi is going to make so much fun of you.
1,
Just watch.
2, 3, 4.
Wow!
I'll show you.
You did it! Just a little bite left of the muffin. Wow, you finished it! Good job.
I finished.
You did. Well done.
I did. Everybody did finish my lunch. I did finish my lunch.
Excellent job.
Mama,
Huh?
laddu.
You want what?
Laddu.
I thought I heard laddu, but I don't have any laddu. We have to wait for someone to come from India and get laddu for you.